how to create different model poses using the AI image generator. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So we will be using Fooocus AI for it, and I will be providing a link in the description, so you can simply open it up using Google Colab, and after that make sure that you connect your Google Colab with it. Also sign into your account, then run it. Then after that you would be able to find this link in this particular coding, and just simply open it up, and this will open up the Fooocus AI for you. Now over here select the option of input image, and after that you would be able to see different results over here. You can simply select the option of inpaint and outpaint or image prompt, then upload the image over here and click on advanced, and here you would be able to get different options. Now since we want the same model poses, we will click on this option of Pyracani and just select the stop at and increase it and increase the weight as well, and this way you would be able to upload another image over here. So depending on the pose that you are looking for, you would have to upload another image over here, and just select the option of Pyracani where you want to copy the model pose, and for the image where you want to upload your own prompt, select the option of image prompt, and this way you would be able to get this prompt. Just simply type the prompt and click on generate, and after that you would be able to generate your own pictures with the different model poses, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.